देखने जा रहे हैं आगरा के आर्टिजन.
Ladies who are doing
2
Zardozi.
ladies. Oh wow,
One
2
will be doing
ladies.
the bigger things. One will be doing the smaller trinkets.
Okay, so let's go see.
Person is a master artisan
Master artisan.
in India.
इस मामले में आपका क्या कहना है?
While the artisans do a fabulous job at what they do, the work that they do is absolutely fabulous.
It's a living heritage of our country.
Absolutely. It is very, very nice. Thank you for coming over, Rian, to go ahead and promote this further. Because a lot of us do not know what exactly goes behind the scenes to put these beautiful, exquisite pieces together.
और एक बात
So
बताइए,
I'm
जो पूरा-
here in downtown Agra, in the old Agra side, and I'm spending the afternoon with Tahir, who's brought me to visit the Zardozi artisans.
She's a master
Okay.
artisan. आज जो है हम जरदोजी के जो आर्टिसंस हैं जो ताजमहल के आसपास रहते हैं, हम उनसे मुलाकात कर रहे हैं. और ये जो है इनके घरों में ये पुश्तैनी काम हो रहा है, मतलब कि फॉर एजेस दे हैव बीन डूइंग दिस.
हाँ.
और जो जरदोजी का काम है आया तो पर्शिया से है, लेकिन जब ये भारत में आया, इंडिया में आया, तो ये और ज़्यादा रिच हो गया.
हाँ.
तो उसी काम को ये लोग आज तक प्रैक्टिस करते हैं. और इसमें क्या है कि ये जो गोल्डन थ्रेड है, ये पहले एक्चुअल गोल्ड की होती थी. इसको लेते हैं ये और इसको ये आरी के काम के ऊपर ये बोते हैं ऐसे करके. तो ये बहुत ही महीन काम है, इससे भी ज़्यादा महीन काम होता है और हम आपको दिखाएंगे अभी बाद में. तो इसको करने में बहुत घंटों लगता है. अगर ये पूरा पैनल है ये एक, इसको करने में आपको कितना वक्त लगेगा?
इसको करने में यानी कि 4 दिन तो लग ही जाएंगे.
आपसे
काम
जो-
ऐसा होता है और बारीक होता है, उसमें एक हफ्ता लग जाता है.
So we are seeing some of the final pieces of the Zardozi. There are some Christmas trinkets. This is what it looks like. तो अब हम आ गए राजना के यहाँ.
राजना के यहाँ, जो कि जरदोजी आर्टिसन हैं. उनकी जो मम्मी हैं, शी इज़ अ मास्टर आर्टिसन. और राजना के यहाँ जो है आप देखते हैं बहुत ज़्यादा महीन काम होता है. दिस विल टेक मच मोर टाइम टू गेट दिस वर्क डन. अब राजना जो है ये आपको बताएंगी कि कैसे कैसे होता है, क्या होता है. राइट. तो अब एक बात बताओ, आप शुरू कैसे करते हो? सबसे पहले तो एक काला वो होता होगा क्लॉथ.
वेलवेट
जी.
जी,
फिर क्या
कलर
करते
का जो कपड़ा है ये वेलवेट है
हम्म.
और इसमें कलर्स भी आते हैं और नीचे मार्किंग लगी हुई है इसकी, ये मार्किंग. सबसे पहले इसको इस पे टाका जाता है, जिस तरह से ये टाका.
So we are right in this little setting right here in the heart of literally the oldest part of Agra, where the oldest artisans are living for generations. And there inside that room, these Zardozi artisans are creating this magnificent work. And it's all thanks to Tahir that we are getting to see these things, which otherwise we only see on television or in the designer stores in Bombay. But like we're really seeing the
This is
true
where it is
stuff,
made,
the OG.
basically. Yeah. This is where it is made, and what me and Rayan we are trying to do is also understand the economics behind it. We are trying to understand that how does the whole skill work, how much time do they spend in making this.
Yeah.
We are also trying to understand how much labor and skill does it require,
Yeah.
and kind of trying to, like, for me it is very interesting to just map it against the prices that
Yeah.
they get for the work that they do.
What work that they do.
Yeah.
So we just finished the Zardozi artists. It was amazing. And now the next step, and I'm really excited about this one, is that we are in the home or the workshop of descendants of the
Yes.
people who actually made the Taj
Made
Mahal.
the Taj Mahal there.
And everyone knows about the marble inlay work, which is world famous, guys. I have spoken about it endlessly. It has its origins in Europe in Pietra Dura form. They've seen it through the Renaissance, through Turkey, Persia, and of course it's best expressed here in Agra. So we are here at this marble workshop, aren't we?
Yes.
तो आज हम क्या देखने वाले हैं हम?
So आज जो है रियान, आई थिंक आप देख पाएंगे सिर्फ ये नहीं कि मार्बल इनले में कैसा काम होता है, पर आप ये भी देख पाएंगे कि मार्बल इनले जो है वो सिर्फ एक स्किल नहीं है, इट वॉज ऑल्सो द पॉलिटिक्स ऑफ द टाइम.
Yeah.
बिकॉज मार्बल इनले में जिस तरह के मटीरियल्स लगते हैं, दे कम फ्रॉम हाफ वे अराउंड द वर्ल्ड.
Yeah.
So unless you have that political clout, you're not going to be making one single piece.
And it was a political statement also.
Exactly. To be wearing something which is from Russia
Yeah.
and from Paris, not from Paris, Russia and all the way to China. So a lot of these countries, all the marble inlay का जो precious stones हैं ये बहुत सारी countries से आते हैं. And apart from that, you will also be able to see today the whole process
We'll see the
of marble inlay and a fantastic piece that they have made, जो कि which will give you an insight into कि जब marble inlay चरम पर था तब कैसा दिखता था.
Chalo, let's go. So now basically what he's doing is using that sharp tool to dig a big hole into that, in which he will inlay the colored stone or the colored piece. So as you can see, there's already a design sketched on this.
साइंस कैसे बनते हैं अब ये मैं आपको बताऊंगा. तो बेसिकली द होल स्टोरी इज ये जो चीज़ है इसको हम उस खांचे में कैसे फिट करेंगे, ये पूरी कहानी है.
So this is Irfan Bhai, the master artist, and he owns this place. And now what he's basically doing is taking those pieces and cutting them into a shape. So these little chips, those raw chips that you can see, he'll cut them into a shape, make it into that shape that he will put into the marble. So these are the little chips that will fit into the larger marble. It will be inlaid. So basically this is like a little jigsaw puzzle now put in together, and in the previous marble that I showed you, that they dug out those big holes, they are put in and stuck with glue, and then they make a polish to reach the final pieces that look like. So this is what the final pieces look like. So they wedged it into the marble basically, then they cut these pieces out which I showed you, and they stuck it into the wedges, and then they polished the whole thing to look completely smooth.